Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorials how to use pen. As example, I will draw simple 3D object and draw rectangle in here and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. If you want to use pen, you can press middle mouse like this. Press middle mouse, hold, it will be automatically use pen, and if you use scroll mouse down and up, it will be automatically zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to pen, you only press middle mouse, hold, and you can move to the cursor. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorials, how to use a pen. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.